Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the exact ingredients, now work fast. Combine sugar, milk, butter, and cocoa in a heavy saucepan and stir until everything dissolves. Use a candy thermometer clipped to the side. You want steady, even heating. Once dissolved, raise heat to bring the mixture to a steady boil while stirring. This prevents sugar crystals from forming. Make sure to skim any foam so heat transfers evenly. This early control sets texture and stops graininess before you move to the next critical temperature stage. Once the mixture reaches 234 degrees 240 degrees F, the softball stage, remove it from heat immediately. Let it cool undisturbed to about 110 degrees F so sugar crystals can stabilize. This cooling step is why fudge firms correctly. Then add vanilla and any nuts. Beat briskly with a wooden spoon or stand mixer for 5 to 8 minutes until the mass thickens and loses gloss. This mechanical action creates the fine crystal structure that gives fudges its smooth bite. If you stop too soon, it stays syrupy. Beat until it holds shape. Pour the beaten fudge into your lined pan and press flat so edges are even. Once done, let it cool at room temperature for 2 to 4 hours until set. Make sure to score portion sizes before firming completely. Then chill briefly and cut with a warmed knife for clean slices. For business packaging, wrap airtight to preserve texture and label with weight and price. If your batch turned grainy, gently reheat with a tablespoon of hot water or corn syrup and rebeat. That dissolves crystals and restores smoothness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.